Hi, that was a really weird intro. I am back after 2 weeks. And because I'm back after 2 weeks, so we'll just pretend. You'll just be nice to me and pretend that I don't have a bad hair day today. Okay? Cool. It happens. I am at home. I work from home. I don't do hair. I don't wear makeup. But I'm still here. And I think it's the last bit of my free series. Hopefully I have more free stuff. No, I think I'll do another one. I think I have the last one to do, but it's not a completely free stuff. You'll understand what I mean by that. But for today, I have something really cool. And this is called Sample, my friend. And this is free. So I got that in my mailbox. Like influencers got free products to try out. You can get free products to try out too. And when I first came to Canada, this is what happened. So I got 1 second here. Yes. So when I came to Canada, I was so frugal. I had a plan to come here and work and make money and spend as little amount of money as possible. You remember I told you that that $10 veggies that you have for obviously $10 for a month. I went vegan. I swear to God, I went vegetarian actually. So I wanted to go vegan for a month, and then I was getting sick, so I thought of getting a little bit of this kind of protein, so I got eggs. But even though it got me sick, so please, people who are vegan, don't start hating me or whatever. Maybe one day I will become vegan. It's not that I don't care about animals. I love them. That's why I eat them. No, I'm sorry. Scratch that. No, it's just that I got really sick. I was weak. I was hungry all the time. I was having like stomach aches. So I think veganism is not for me. I have a friend. She's vegetarian. She eats really well. Every time she cooks something, it's so good. Her name is Rebecca. She's a YouTuber too. I love her so much. And yeah, every time she cooks something, it's so delicious. Anyway, back to something free. So how do you actually get some free stuff? And you can get anything. I got lots of like sample perfume. Like when I say sample perfume is like from really good brand, Lancome and stuff like that. And I would wear them when I go on date because you want to smell good. So I got that. I got laundry detergent. I got, what did I get? I got cream that I didn't use because it's for reverse aging, and I don't consider myself old. Maybe one day I will consider myself old, but for now I still think I'm young, so I haven't used it. What did I get? Well, anyway, I got a couple of stuff. That's not the point. And I want you to benefit from it. So it's really, really simple. I'm going to leave some links down below so you have things from Sampler, um, sample.com, Canada Saving, stuff like that. And then you have other type of things such as like, what is called? You have Bees Agent and Club Testers Club, something like that. I didn't sign up for Testers Club. I just go with Sampler, Sampling, and Sample Canada, something like that. I will put the link down. You don't have to do anything. Just click on the link and so go there. There's like a little form that you need to fill out. For example, if you want what you like, so that whenever you get an email based on your preference, you'll get emails based on your preference. So generally, you just have to check your email. There'll be like freebies for perfume, for laundry detergent, for biscuits, for anything. Disclaimer, I don't smoke, but I still got this. I don't know when and how and where I actually got applied for this one, but I did. I somehow I did, and that's totally okay. And so this one, you get a coupon, which is really cool. I did a previous video with coupon, and you guys know I love it. That being said, be very careful with coupons. Sometimes it can encourage impulse buying. I'm not here to encourage impulse buying. This one is up until February 2022, so is it okay? So you don't need to rush and go and buy things. Buy it whenever it's grocery time or stuff like that. It's $10 off. I don't know how much it is in total, but because I don't smoke, but $10 off. And then in there you have a little guide, I guess. Then you have the gums, and you have 15 gums in it. I might eat it just because it's gum, but my roommates smoke, and so does my partner, so I'm probably going to give that to them, even though my partner doesn't want it to. A little guide, and what is that? Oh, these are patches. So basically, when you get your sample, it comes in boxes. Same when I got my perfume, my sample perfume, I think it came into an envelope. So basically, this is how it goes. It comes in there, and all you have to do is actually give a little review on their website, and that's it. And to be honest with you, sometimes they don't have the time to check if you give a review or not. But you know what? They're giving you free samples, so it doesn't hurt to put a review. And everyone is nice. It's nice to receive a review now and then, and it doesn't hurt. They sent you a free sample. They took care of the delivery, and all you have to do is sit and write one line of it was good or not. So I think it's worth it. So that being said, another free things that you can get are samples. So I hope you like it. In the next one, I'm going to show you how you can actually get free stuff on your birthday. Yes, another way to get free stuff is for signing for stuff on your birthday, and I'm going to give you a list of things on how it should be done and how you can do it. I didn't want to actually include it in free sample because there's some kind of stuff that needs to be done. For example, when it was for South Street, it was back in 2020. Yeah, 2020. Back then, when it's your birthday, you actually receive a free burger, but now it changed. Now it's a buy one get one free. So if you have a friend or a partner or whatever, just take them there and they buy a burger and you get your free burger. Other places you get free stuff like free milkshake, free blah blah blah. On my next video, I'm going to give you a list of all of this, and it's going to be cool. There's other stuff I wanted to show you. There are side gigs that you can do in Canada that they're going to pay you via PayPal, not in your bank account or not in this kind of thing, but they pay you via PayPal. And I know how you guys are are always worried of not getting side jobs or stuff like that, and I think this is so cool. I have 3 more jobs that I can show to you. One, I am not an advocate for it, but it can give you up to 1,000 to 3 grand for one job, and the other one that goes directly in your bank account. But there's another one that you can do. It actually pays you via PayPal, and I have the proof. I got paid. So I'm really excited to show you all of this. But up until next time, yeah, like and comment and subscribe and share and ask me lots of questions. Mwah.